Building your dream gaming PC? It all starts with the perfect case for airflow, style, and serious hardware support. Today, we're counting down the top 10 gaming cases on Amazon, from minimalist towers to RGB-packed beasts built for performance. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more PC gaming gear and techs. At number 1 we have ZXTH5 Flow RGB ATX Midtower Gaming Case. High-performance airflow, perforated front and top panels direct filtered air through the case to cool down components and enhance performance. Vivid RGB lighting, includes two pre-installed F140 RGB core fans that connect to a standard 5V ARGB header. Dedicated GPU fan, an angled 120mm fan draws air from below the case to provide direct cooling for your power-hungry graphics card. Spacious cooling support, up to a 280mm radiator in the front and 240mm up top. Fits up to 6 fans including the dedicated GPU fan. Ready for performance, fits most NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics cards with its 400mm clearance. Display your GPU vertically using the NZXT vertical GPU mounting kit. Sold separately. Reduces clearance to 384mm. At number 2 we have Corsair RGB Midtower ATX PC Case. The 3500X has all the cooling benefits and essential features you need to build an amazing PC, supporting motherboard form factors from Mini ITX to EX, with a wraparound glass aesthetic to give you the view to match. Side, roof, and PSU fan mounting points, accommodating up to 10x 120mm fans, ensure that you don't sacrifice cooling for the stunning looks of a glass front panel. Easily removable front and side glass panels make it easy to build and access your system after it's done. IQ Link fans and system hub to start your build right. 3 pre-installed RX 120 RGB fans and an IQ Link system hub get you started in the revolutionary IQ Link ecosystem, featuring simplified connections and reduced cabling for an easy, picture-perfect build. Validated for use with Asus BTF and MSI Project Zero motherboards featuring connections on the back of the board, so your view isn't spoiled by plugged-in cables. At number 3 we have MUSETEX ATX PC Case. The internal structure of Y6 ATX case is divided by MUSETEX in an orderly manner. Each space is skillfully laid out. Y6 PC case is installed without any obstacles. Users can carry out various DIY according to favorites, enjoy charm of game. Compatible with most of mainstream hardware in the market, support GPU up to 400mm, CPU cooling height up to 176mm, support top mounting up to 360mm liquid cooler, support PSU up to 200mm. Upgrade high-speed I/O expansion interface in order to enrich the external interfaces. We invested a lot of cost into Y6 computer case, configured with USB 3.2/Type-C high-speed interface and USB 3.0 and other interfaces, which is convenient for connecting a variety of new standard devices, enjoying a higher transmission rate and saving waiting time. Good heat dissipation/cool effect. MUSETEX pre-install 6-speed adjustable ARGB fans in Y6 gaming case, which can be controlled by motherboard software, customized with various light modes for cool and colorful lighting. At number 4 we have Asus TUF Gaming GT500 2 Midtower Gaming Case. Stand your graphics card up proud with the included vertical mount, or slot it directly into the motherboard and banish sag with the bundled support bracket. The graphics card holder allows you to easily place your graphics card in multiple positions for convenience and flexibility. The TUF Gaming GT500 2 Horizon continues its PC DIY optimizations with side panels that can be removed simply by pressing a button hidden on the rear of the chassis. In addition to 2 USB ports, the TUF Gaming GT500 2 Horizon front panel features a USB Type-C port ready for transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. 2 durable and detachable straps can support up to 30 kilograms, 66 pounds, making it much easier to move the chassis around even when it's packed with hardware. Whether you prefer a modest build or a fully loaded battle station, the GT500 2 Horizon is ready. Most of its panels and mounting components are removable to ease hardware installation. At number 5 we have NZXT H9 Flow Dual-Chamber ATX Midtower PC Gaming Case. The H9 Flow CMH91 FW01 is designed to cool low-powerful GPUs with its expansive thermal capabilities, featuring a 10-fan capacity and numerous 360mm radiator mounting options. A perforated top panel takes cooling even further, and a unique wraparound glass design with a dual-chamber layout is the perfect showcase for premium components. Clear view, seamless glass across the front and side panels gives your build's components the undivided attention they deserve. High-performance airflow, perforated top and side panels direct filtered air through the case to cool down components and enhance performance. Dual-chamber design, cables, storage, and PSU are separate from other components to maintain a clean look and maximize airflow to the GPU. Simplified building, spacious interior with intuitive cable management, a dedicated SSD wall panel, and removable top and side mounting brackets. Simplified building, spacious interior with intuitive cable management, a dedicated SSD wall panel, and removable top and side mounting brackets. At number 6 we have Lian Li SUP01 to 45-liter stand-up platform case. Optimize your desktop with the Lian Li Sub01. The stand-up platform design not only minimizes footprint but also ensures impeccable hardware compatibility and superior cooling efficiency. The Sub01 features an innovative stand-up platform design, significantly reducing desktop footprint compared to traditional tower cases. The Sub01 displays your GPU at the forefront of the build for improved GPU thermal efficiency and a different aesthetic. Despite its compact form factor, the Sub01 doesn't compromise on compatibility. It effortlessly accommodates motherboards ranging from ITX to standard ATX sizes. External placement of the PSU at the rear of the chassis allows easy access for cable management. The PSU shroud houses a hard drive cage with 2 trays for SSDs or HDDs. It can be removed to provide additional routing cable space. 2 SSD mounting positions are located in the main chamber above the PSU shroud. At number 7 we have HYTE Y60 Midtower ATX Computer Gaming Case. See your components the way they were meant to be seen. The HYTE Y60 features a 3-piece panoramic tempered glass design for the ultimate photo and display potential and a protective riser cable canopy that integrates beautifully into the case, allowing for half-height PCIe cards behind the throne of the vertical graphics card. The Y60's unique airflow path allows for a wide range of compatibility and plenty of cooling options. The unique pattern wraps around the case in 3 dimensions and appears to float in an impossible way. The Y60's anti-chamber design hides unattractive cables, keeping your PC clutter-free, visually appealing, and running cool. Eliminate hot spots with sweeping lateral vents from fans tastefully tucked into the basement of the Y60. At number 8 we have Montek ATX Midtower PC Gaming Case. Experience the elegance of American walnut wood integration, seamlessly blending nature and modern design on the front panel. Achieve superior airflow with extensive cooling support, accommodating up to 12 fans for maximum ventilation. Comprehensive 360 degrees 4-sided dust filter, ensuring all fans are shielded for optimal protection against dust accumulation. Designed for spacious compatibility and high-performance hardware, supporting up to a 360mm AIO cooler and the latest RTX 50 series GPUs. Pre-installed with 4 high-performance GF120 ARGB PWM fans, delivering optimized airflow and stunning customizable lighting. At number 9 we have MSI Premium Midtower Gaming PC Case. The MPG Gungnir 110R is tailored to the specific theme and meets the player's diverse preferences. In addition, MSI's simple and modern style in black and gray, with the transparent tempered glass side panel, and simple cutting design, make the overall shape more outstanding. Combined with neutral tones, the MPG Gungnir 110R is more harmonious when presenting colorful RGB effects, strongly demonstrating the player's personal style. The MPG Gungnir 110R adopts a plain industrial design with durability enhancement and DIY optimization. In addition, it is equipped with an ARGB fan for lighting effects. Quickly control the fan color and lighting effects with Insta-Light Loop at the touch of a button. Synergize MPG Gungnir 110R with an MSI motherboard, bridging a USB Type-C port for convenience. At number 10 we have Amanson PC Case ATX9 PWM ARGB fans. Amanson tower case fans can be controlled by computer software. Enjoy high-performance cooling and easy lighting through a simple plus 5 volts ARGB motherboard header, no controller necessary. -9 ARGB cases fans only require 2 advanced cable connection, reducing complex cable management processes. Large space behind the motherboard tray for hidden cable management. The PC gaming case is equipped 24mm thick tempered glass, which can clearly see the RGB lighting and the components in the building, creating a good gaming atmosphere. He Midtower gaming computer case supports ATX, Micro ATX, Mini ITX motherboards. Support 360mm radiator CPU cooler height maximum 170mm GPU length maximum 400mm power supply type ATX up to 220mm. Equipped with HDD and SSD bracket. Expansion slots 7 plus 3 pieces. Up to 10 plus 120mm PC fans.